Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Iya and this is my very first vlog. Especially I thought to give it a try, especially for those people, those who feel demotivated, थोड़ा काम करके थक जाते हैं, नेगेटिविटी हो जाती है, डाउन फील करते हैं, they feel drained. तो it's for them. And देखें, I woke up early in the morning for Fajr, then after a few hours I woke up for school प्रिपरेशन. यहाँ आपने देखिए मैंने चाय बना ली है. आई डोंट मेक फैंसी स्टफ़, पत्ती चीनी दूध सब डाला थर्मस में, एंड आई ऐड ऑन बॉइल्ड वाटर. So no fancy, just simple. This is my office preparation, and then I got ready for my office and here I'm leaving house. These are my friends. इनको बाइक के बगैर मैं नहीं निकलती. Okay, now we are on the way to office. As these days you can see the roads are very empty because the students are on their vacation. This is summer vacation time. Normally those people are on the road, those who are going for office or have some work to do. And we are here almost. I reached my office और ये गुलशन ब्लॉक 4 में है. I work in a school as an admission director. Now I am entering in the school. I'll show you my office also. This is the admin block. Now I'm moving towards my office. So here I am. This is my office and ये मैंने खोला दरवाज़ा. And this is a bit suffocated, so I thought to turn on the AC. दूसरे वाले cubicle में इसका switch है, so I turned it on. Now I'm back in my office again. अच्छा, I cannot start my day without having tea. So I took out all my stuff और यहाँ पे आ गए हैं गलती से brown vegetable, जो I don't like it. This is full of sugar. Like feel like this is a bit sugary, but otherwise I use sugar free. So यहाँ मैंने अपनी चाय निकाल ली है, and like I used to bring for other teachers also, but अब I am all alone, so I am having all alone my tea. This is my tea time. और ये चाय पी के थोड़ा सा काम करके ऑफिस का एक केम आउटसाइड. हमारे स्कूल में these days we are having construction, so top roof पे we are making a very special area for our Aga Khan college students. तो अभी ये जिस पोजीशन में I'll be giving you updates every now and then and every day इंशाल्लाह. So इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है, तरक्याती काम चल रहे हैं, and this is after an hour. So जो आधा थोड़ा बहुत क्लीन अप हो चुका है. Okay, there's one more school just adjacent to Sal's. This is Okay, so this is another school, Camelot Ludus. I'll be showing you all the classes later on when the teachers will be here, inshallah, in July. Right now we are going into the OT room or indoor play area room. इधर बच्चों को they used to have their fun times. जब बाहर weather conditions doesn't allow students to go outside, so they used to have their fun times over here in this room. यहाँ हमारे पास mini library है, all sort of stuff. Okay, तो ये हमारा play area है Camelot का. Inshallah, I'll be making a separate vlog, detailed vlog on the play area of Camelot. Okay, these are few books, and this is all the stuff as kitchen and all other stuff. Yeah, also a mini library sort of thing. We have all the resources for the students. I'll be showing you in detail also. कुछ बहुत engaging toys we are having for the students. We are having big blocks for the students. We have ice cream cart. We have different stuff. Even we have this machine. Okay, it's time to go home. आज alhamdulillah it was a productive day. I had 2 queries. I had interviews. First vlog था, record नहीं कर पाई, समझ भी नहीं आया किस तरह करूँ. Inshallah later on I'll record that also. Now I'm leaving from school. Okay, the weather was very pleasant. Now I am over here in my society. I'm heading towards my home. बहुत ही प्यारे ये डक्स और डकलिन्स हैं यहाँ हमारी सोसाइटी में, तो देख के मूड ही अच्छा हो जाता है. और right now I'm thinking that I have to go home and I have lot of chores to do. सब करने के बाद बच्चों को मैंने पढ़ाने के लिए बिठा दिया था. So I was just checking out either they are studying or not. तो निकलते वक्त ही एकदम से I realized कि they are just talking. So I thought to sit. I was doing some work also. तो अब मैं आ गई हूँ इधर बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए. And one of my kid is in grade 3 and she'll be forwarding to grade 4. The other one is in grade 1 and inshallah from August he'll be going to grade 2. The third one was in early years 1 and he'll be going to early years 2. So तीनों की different classes हैं. The level of academic is different. सबको उनके level पे जाकर पढ़ाना पड़ता है. But I believe if so you should. ना पढ़ाई के बाद चेंज हो गया बच्चों के कपड़े एंड देन नाउ इट्स इवनिंग टाइम, सो वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स द रूफ क्योंकि बच्चों को टाइम देना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। स्कूल हो गया, ऑफिस हो गया, घर हो गया, पढ़ाई हो गई। नाउ इट्स देयर फन टाइम, तो माई डॉटर इज़ गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर स्केटिंग, द अदर वन इज़ हियर विद द फुटबॉल। She is mashallah pro in skating. She learned just for a month and now she is doing amazing. उसके बाद कुछ इंगेजिंग गेम जो मैं करवाती हूँ, ये ब्राउन चेयर एंड वाइट चेयर, इसमें बच्चों की बहुत ज़्यादा हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन और बॉडी मूवमेंट कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड माइंड कोऑर्डिनेशन आप बोल सकते हैं वो होती है। वहाँ मेरा बेटा आउट हो गया और वो अपसेट होके चला गया। Anyhow, after Maghrib, they came downstairs. They offered their Maghrib prayer. This is one of the very important aspect that you should work on the kids from the very initial age. तो शुरू में ही हो सकता है। उसके बाद it was dinner time. We had mutton, pulao or biryani, whatever you want to say. It was amazing. It was yummy. So we had our family dinner. And after that, it was time to clean the kitchen. So this is dirty one. Now I have cleaned it. So bye bye. That's it for the day. Allah Hafiz. Ciao.